Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. So not much change since my last update that I sent through earlier today on Discord. That was like 6 hours ago, 5 hours ago or something. The levels all remain valid. So the idea was, at least communicated in that update, that the price formed a three-wave move down into support between 76 cents and 64 cents. The price has now reacted to the 38.2 retracement, which is an ideal target for a fourth wave, at least if we consider that circle wave 4 is unfolding, which is pretty much the last option for the bulls, right? At least in this scenario where we said the 64 cent level is key to maintain an overall bullish outlook. But then we have in the same, let's say in the same support range also 76 cents as key support. But the really relevant one for upside continuation is 64. I mean, I've always said that I would get worried below 64 cents. We are not there yet. But the price has hit a key support there at 76 cents. And we are also now getting a bit of a bounce there. There's been a reaction to the lower boundary line of the corrective price channel. And the price is now attacking the resistance area that I communicated, which is between 88 cents and 92 cents. We see some decent upside, but we haven't broken resistance yet. So this is what I'm watching for now. A break above resistance is an early indication that a low has formed. Yeah, and that this reaction to support is more than just a corrective bounce. It's an early indication because we've got the white scenario as well, which allows for one more low. If the yellow count is in, or if the yellow count is unfolding, then the low could be in, because it could be wave 4 as a WXY structure. If we get rejected from resistance, then we likely get one more low, which would then be an ABC. It's just a slightly different wave structure that we're dealing with here. The WXY is definitely possible. The correction moved down deep enough. I've been highlighting in several crypto videos today that we've seen oversold readings on several charts. So a bounce is likely. We do see that bounce now, but key is now, is it sustainable enough, for something more bullish than just a corrective bounce? This center line of the channel can act as resistance as well as the 92.4 cent level. We haven't broken that. So if you're interested, if you're interested in resistance, have some levels to watch, then the 92.4 cent level is going to be next resistance. As long as we don't break above that level, one more low is an option. I mean, even above another low is an option, but probabilities for one more low will reduce. What I really need to see is, first of all, let's say a decisive and convincing break above 92.4 cents, then a higher low. So a pullback afterwards need to form a higher low. We need to hold, obviously, the intraday low that formed around 76 cents. And then we need a break above the upper boundary line of the corrective price channel. And then, now if we go to the larger time frame, then we can all see how that all fits together, because the larger time frame allows for the interpretation of a wave 4 correction here, which could result in a fifth wave to the upside afterwards. This is still valid, and the daily chart has not changed at all. Now, if we get a break below 64 cents, for sure there will be bullish alternative scenarios, but yeah, it would get painful. So ideally, wave 4 finishes in this region between 64 and 94 cents. Once a low is in and, we get these 1-2 setups to the upside and break above the upper boundary line of the trend channel and so on, then we can pay attention to the next upside levels, like 142 is the next resistance, 172 and 236. We are certainly not there yet. Okay, so it's very important that first of all, let's see if the market can actually break out of that corrective price channel to the upside that I've shown you on the smaller time frame chart. That's the update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.